GetRangesList function is used to retrieve a list of memory regions of the currently selected process. This is particularly useful when you want to identify and work with specific areas of memory, such as those related to specific game data or libraries. Filter parameter in the function is optional. If you do not specify a filter, the function will return all memory regions for the selected process. If you do specify a filter, the function will return only the memory regions that match the filter criteria. The filter can include wildcards to refine the search based on the region names or other characteristics. Wildcards are special symbols used in the filter parameter to match specific patterns in memory region names. They allow you to specify more flexible search criteria. Caret is used to match the beginning of the string. For example, $lib would match any region name that starts with lib. $sign is used to match the end of the string. For example, so $sign would match any region name that ends with so. Asterisk symbol matches 0 or more of any characters. For example, lib so would match any region name that starts with lib and ends with so, with any number of characters in between. Question mark matches exactly one of any character. For example, lib so would match any region name that starts with lib followed by any single character and ending with so. Wildcards help you filter and narrow down your search to specific memory regions based on their names or patterns. GetRangesList function returns a list of tables, where each table represents a memory region with detailed information about that region. However, whether it returns the entire list or a filtered subset depends on whether you provide the optional filter parameter. If you call the function without any parameters, it returns the entire list of memory regions for the selected process. This includes all memory regions regardless of their names or types. If you provide a filter string as a parameter, the function returns only the memory regions that match the filter pattern. The function returns a list or array, where each item is a table and each table represents a memory region. Inside each table, you will find the following fields. State. This field indicates the access permissions of the memory region. It can describe whether the region is readable, writable, executable, or a combination of these. Possible values. Are W readable and writable? R readable only? Are X readable and executable? When it is returned, it shows the current permissions of the memory region. Start is the starting memory address of the region. It is a hexadecimal address. When it is returned, indicates where the memory region begins in the address space. End is the ending memory address of the region. It is a hexadecimal address. When it is returned, indicates where the memory region ends in the address space. Type, the type of memory region, which categorizes the region based on its usage or origin. Possible values. Anonymous. Memory not backed by a file, such as dynamically allocated memory, heap. Stack. Memory allocated for the stack, used for function call management. Code, executable code, usually part of the app's or system's binaries. When it is returned, classify the memory region. Name, the name of the memory region, often related to the library or module that owns the region. Example values. lib.c.so, a standard C library. libart.so, Android runtime library. Returned for memory regions associated with specific libraries or modules. If the memory is anonymous or has no specific name, this field might be empty. Internal name. An internal identifier used by the system to further describe In the example script, the first line prints out all the memory regions for the selected process. Here, the entire list of memory regions is stored in a variable t, which allows you to access individual elements. T, bracket notation, 1, accesses the first memory region in the list, T. Since gggetRangesList returns a list of tables each representing a memory region, using T, bracket notation, 1, gives you the first of these tables. Dot notation is used to access the start field in the first memory regions table. Dot notation is used for accessing fields in a table by their names, provided the field name is not a reserved keyword in Lua. T, bracket notation, 1, bracket notation, quotes, end. This uses square bracket notation to access the end field in the same table. Square bracket notation is necessary here because end is a reserved keyword in Lua, and dot notation cannot be used with keywords. Dot notation is generally used for accessing fields in a table unless the field name is a Lua keyword, like end, in which case you use square bracket notation. This function call retrieves a list of memory regions that match the filter lib.c.so. In this case, the filter is specifying that only memory regions associated with the shared library lib.c.so should be returned. This library is a standard C library used by many applications. The print function outputs whatever is passed to it to the console. Here, it prints the list of memory regions associated with lib.c.so. getRangesList function within GameGuardian allows you to retrieve detailed information about the memory regions of a selected process. This function is invaluable when you need to target specific areas of memory for analysis or modification, especially when dealing with complex applications or games.